Okay, today we're featuring a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Summit White in color. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. First thing we notice, it is a Texas edition. All right, got the chrome side mirrors, chrome door handles, chrome step rails at the bottom. Does have the soft to no cover. Tow hitch, trailer plug-in. It is an LTZ. Got the backup camera, spray-in bed liner, Rhino Pro bed liner, and the true export to no cover. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in good shape. Exterior of this truck's well maintained. Everything looks good. Got the chrome bumpers, chrome grille. It is an LTZ, so it's got all the bells and whistles, and it is a two-wheel drive, by the way. It is a two-wheel drive. All right, got the two-tone door panels, memory seats, power locks, power windows. It does have the foldable mirrors, Bose audio. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats, the beige leather power driver's seat. All right, they are the captain's chairs. Driver's seat's in great shape. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs with remote start. Passenger seat leather is also in really good shape. Right. It's got your plug-ins here, power outlets there, air conditioned and heated seats, dual climate control. There's going to be your display right there with the backup camera and navigation, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth. It also has the steering wheel audio controls, and it is a two-wheel drive, okay? Four-wheel drive's the other button's usually right here. It is a two-wheel drive. All right, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 28,843 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and give you a shot of the navigation. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and then I'll get it back to your home screen. Alright, and it is equipped with Chevrolet MyLink, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, there's your dual climate controls. Once again, your ventilated and heated seats. Alright, we've had the AC blowing now for a few minutes. It's already blowing cold. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. And let me give you a shot of this Chevrolet MyLink real quick. Put the key back in here. There we go, right there, okay? All right. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels look good. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats back here. Leather back here is in phenomenal shape. It doesn't even look like anybody's even sat on these leather seats. There's not a wrinkle in it. Got the convenient cup holders come down in the middle. I'm going to give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Right, let's go ahead and take a look in the bed again real quick. I know I've already showed you briefly once. Okay. Bed liner, spray-in bed liner. It's a no cover. It's in great shape. It looks brand new. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 20-inch chrome. All right, that's not just chrome caps, that's real chrome wheels there. All right, tires are still good, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, this is a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. You got to check this one out. Come down, look at it, test drive it. Thank you for watching the video.